We've had several of these 14 Pro Maxes come in with blown batteries, swollen batteries, you name it, we're seeing. Okay, so there you go. It is definitely his battery. This is something we're seeing on a regular basis with these iPhones. This battery is completely swollen, and it's exploding over here in the side. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually coming out here. Watch out if you have a 14 Pro Max. We are seeing this on a regular basis. We've already had several of these come in this month alone. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great